In this video we will talk about the 3 core muscle building exercises you should do. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. The 3 core muscle building exercises you should be doing. When it comes to building muscle, I like to keep things simple. It's easy to get caught up in the hype of hot new products and exercises that promise to be the next best thing in muscle building. These fancy exercises and products use long scientific-like words and explanations to show you they work to build the most muscle. In this article I'm going to get back to basics. I am going to show your 3 muscle building exercises you can't afford not to do and why you should be doing them. These 3 exercises are the grassroots of building muscle and are essential for any serious training program. You might find it hard to believe, but with these 3 exercises alone you can pack on a serious amount of muscle. I refer to these exercises as the core to any good program. When I start planning a muscle building program for a client, I always start with these 3 basic exercises and build the program around them. 3 core muscle building exercises. Number 1. Squat. The squat is the biggest exercise for packing on serious poundage. There's no argument about it. The squat is primarily a leg building exercise. You start the exercise with a barbell resting across your shoulders, standing straight up. Then bending at the knees and hips, you lower the barbell down until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. And then push the barbell back to the starting position. Like all the core muscle building exercises, you should make the squat the first exercise you do on your leg training day. Because it's the biggest exercise, you want your legs to be fresh and ready. If muscle building is your goal, aim for about 8 to 12 reps on the squat. Because you'll be lifting heavy weights, a good warm-up is vital. Squatting is very stressful for the lower body, especially the knees, so 5 to 10 minutes on the treadmill and some light squats first up are recommended. Number 2. Bench press. The bench press is the king of upper body building exercises. For years the bench press has been used to measure a lifter's strength. How many times have you been asked how much do you bench? I bet you've never been asked how much do you squat or how many chin-ups can you do. The bench is a simple yet extremely powerful exercise that targets the entire chest, pectorals, front shoulders, deltoids, and triceps. To perform a bench press you must lie on your back on a flat bench, grip the barbell at slightly wider than shoulder grip and press the bar straight down to your chest. The bench press is the biggest upper body builder because it allows you to move the most amount of weight possible. Number 3. Wide gripped chin up. If you were only going to do one exercise to work your back, this would be it. The wide gripped chin up is the ultimate test of a lifter's power to weight ratio. This muscle building exercise is very demanding on the body. To execute this exercise you need a chin-up bar or assisted chin-up machine. Hold the bar in a wide grip, greater than shoulder width, with your palms facing away from your body. Start in a hanging position with your arms fully extended. Pull yourself up until you can get your chin over the bar and lower back to starting position. When you should be doing these exercises? These exercises are the biggest muscle builders and also the most taxing on your body, so they must be done at the beginning of your workout to get the maximum benefits. I recommend that you do up to 5 sets on each exercise and vary the way you perform these sets each week. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.